Wooden home decoration art offers timeless elegance, warmth, and natural beauty that transforms any living space. With its versatile nature, wood can be shaped, polished, and carved into countless forms that evoke a sense of serenity and craftsmanship. As the world moves toward sustainable and eco-conscious choices, wooden decorations provide an ideal way to bring nature into your home while also supporting the environment. Whether it's furniture, wall art, sculptures, or accents, wooden decorations not only elevate a room's aesthetic but also create a lasting impression. The uniqueness of wooden decorations lies in their ability to match various interior styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalistic. One of the standout qualities of wood is its natural grain patterns, which give each piece its own distinct look. These patterns can add depth, texture, and character to any home, and when paired with the right finishes, they can create a cohesive and warm atmosphere. One of the most popular ways to incorporate wood into home decor is through wooden wall art. This could range from intricate carvings and sculptures to sleek, geometric designs. Wooden wall art serves as a focal point in a room, drawing attention and sparking conversation. Imagine a stunning wooden panel with a rich walnut stain, its fine-grained details highlighted by soft lighting, or a hand-carved piece depicting natural scenes like trees or animals. These pieces not only beautify the space but also bring a sense of calm and connection to nature. When designing wooden art for walls, it's essential to think about the flow of the room. For larger spaces, consider grand wooden pieces that cover a whole wall or an arrangement of several smaller pieces to form a cohesive gallery. The beauty of wood is that it can be used in various ways to achieve different effects. A large, abstract wooden sculpture on a feature wall can add a modern touch, while a series of hand-painted wooden panels can create a more traditional or rustic atmosphere. The flexibility of wooden materials allows for customization that fits perfectly with your personal style. In addition to wall art, wooden furniture pieces make for fantastic statement pieces in any room. A custom-made wooden coffee table, for instance, can be both functional and artistic. Each table can be uniquely crafted, showcasing different types of wood such as oak, walnut, or teak. The finish on these tables can vary from a natural matte look to a high-gloss shine, depending on the desired style. Additionally, using reclaimed wood for such pieces adds a sustainable, eco-friendly element to your decor. Wooden sculptures are another creative form of decoration that can breathe life into your home. These sculptures range from minimalist designs to highly detailed representations of nature, animals, or abstract forms. Handcrafted wooden sculptures often feature the natural imperfections of the wood, such as knots and variations in texture, adding to their organic beauty. These pieces can be placed strategically in a living room or entryway, where they can become a focal point for guests to admire. For a more rustic or farmhouse aesthetic, wooden accents like shelving, picture frames, and mirrors can be crafted to fit seamlessly into your design. Wooden shelves are not just functional, they're also a stylish addition to your home. Floating shelves in particular can create a clean, modern look while showcasing your favorite books, decorative pieces, or plants. When paired with wood-framed mirrors, you can amplify the rustic charm of your living spaces. These accents enhance the overall ambience, adding depth and dimension to your rooms. Speaking of plants, wood and greenery are a match made in heaven. Wooden planters and plant stands provide a natural, earthy feel to a room while allowing your indoor plants to flourish. The contrast between the natural wood and the vibrant green leaves of the plants creates a harmonious and tranquil environment. Wood can also be used to create unique, custom planters that fit perfectly in any space. Whether it's a large planter for a statement plant or a small stand for your favorite succulents, wooden planters enhance the beauty of your indoor garden. Another area where wood truly shines is in creating functional yet stylish room dividers. Wooden room dividers offer a simple way to define spaces within an open-plan home while adding an element of artistry to the room. These dividers can come in many forms, from traditional lattice designs to more modern, sleek panels that allow light to filter through while providing privacy. They can be placed in living rooms, bedrooms, or even home offices, offering both function and beauty. Wooden accent pieces like trays, coasters, and vases are simple yet effective ways to incorporate wood into your home decor. These small, functional items add character and texture without overwhelming the space. For example, a wooden tray on a coffee table can hold decorative candles or fresh flowers, bringing a touch of nature indoors. Similarly, wooden vases can hold dried flowers or greenery, creating a rustic, charming atmosphere. Wooden home decor art offers limitless possibilities for expressing your style and connection to nature. Whether you choose to highlight the beauty of the wood grain, experiment with modern design elements, or embrace traditional craftsmanship, wooden decorations will always bring warmth, elegance, and a timeless appeal to your home. As you integrate wooden elements into your living space, you'll create an environment that feels both inviting and meaningful. The allure of wooden art lies in its simplicity and versatility. It complements every room, enhancing its atmosphere with a natural touch. The tactile experience of wood, its smoothness, texture, and warmth, invites us to pause and appreciate the natural world. Wooden decorations elevate your home, making it a sanctuary filled with beauty, comfort, and authenticity. In conclusion, wooden home decoration art is much more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a reflection of the timeless bond between nature, craftsmanship, and the environment we inhabit. When you incorporate wooden elements into your home, you're not simply adding furniture or decor. You're inviting a piece of nature's beauty into your living space. Whether you opt for sculptural wall art, intricate handcrafted furniture, or simple yet stunning accents like picture frames, trays, or shelves, each wooden piece carries with it a story of craftsmanship, a connection to the natural world, and a sense of uniqueness that only wood can offer. Wood's versatility is one of its most compelling qualities. Its ability to blend seamlessly with virtually any design style, from rustic and farmhouse to sleek, modern, and minimalist, makes it an incredibly adaptable material. The grains, textures, and colors of wood are as unique as the trees they come from, meaning no two pieces are exactly alike. Whether it's a rich, dark walnut or a lighter, honey-toned oak, the natural variations in the wood's appearance add depth and warmth to your interior. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, there's something incredibly grounding about having wood in your home. The process of bringing wood into your living space is not just about decorating, it's about embracing a material that connects you to the natural world. It serves as a reminder of the beauty and complexity of nature, inviting that warmth and tranquility into your home. And because wood is a sustainable material, it provides a sense of responsibility and eco-consciousness. By choosing wooden art and furniture, you're contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle, one that values quality over quantity and timeless design over fleeting trends. Wooden pieces also carry with them a sense of craftsmanship and artistry that mass-produced materials simply cannot replicate. When you choose handcrafted wooden decor, you're supporting artisans and craftspeople who pour their skill, time, and passion into their work. Each piece is a reflection of their expertise and a testament to the tradition of woodworking, a craft that has been practiced for centuries. This connection to craftsmanship is especially powerful when it comes to wooden sculptures or bespoke furniture, where each detail is carefully shaped, sanded, and finished to perfection. These are not just objects, they are works of art, each with its own story and soul. Moreover, wooden art has the power to evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort. The tactile nature of wood, the way it feels under your fingertips, the way it changes and develops character over time, adds a sensory layer to the experience of living with it. There's a sense of warmth that radiates from wood, making it a perfect material for creating a cozy, inviting home environment. The presence of wood can instantly elevate a room, adding an organic touch that feels both timeless and comforting. It's no wonder that wood has been used in interior design for centuries, serving as a staple in homes and spaces across cultures. But wooden decor does more than just decorate your space, it transforms it. It gives a room personality and character, setting the tone for how you interact with the space and with the people in it. A wooden piece, whether it's a live-edge bookshelf, a hand-carved sculpture, or a carefully selected wooden frame, holds a certain weight and significance. It becomes a part of your home, telling a story about who you are, where you've been, and the values you hold dear. It encourages mindfulness and connection, whether you're admiring a beautifully crafted coffee table or running your hands over the smooth surface of a wooden wall sculpture. By incorporating wooden art into your home, you're not just filling a space with objects. You're creating an environment that fosters peace, comfort, and connection. A wooden piece becomes more than just a decoration. It becomes a part of your daily life, enhancing the mood of a room, serving as a functional object, and even sparking conversation. It's about crafting a space that feels like a sanctuary, a place that resonates with warmth and authenticity. Wooden art also has the power to foster connection. Whether it's a family heirloom passed down through generations or a newly crafted piece, wooden items have the ability to tell a story. They remind us of the passage of time and the value of tradition, while also offering a canvas for creativity and individuality. Each piece you choose to bring into your home is a reflection of your taste, your values, and your desire to surround yourself with beauty that lasts. So, whether you're looking to create a calming, tranquil retreat in your bedroom, bring personality to your living room, or add character to your office, wooden home decoration art offers endless possibilities. It's a choice that will never go out of style. The durability, versatility, and natural beauty of wood ensure that it will continue to be a beloved material and interior design for generations to come. And with each wooden piece you add to your home, you're not just decorating a space, you're creating an environment that supports a sense of peace, harmony, and a deeper connection to the world around you. Wooden decor invites us to slow down, appreciate the present, and savor the details that often go unnoticed. The grains of the wood, the smoothness of its surface, and the stories embedded in each piece all contribute to a home that feels more meaningful, more intentional, and more alive. It's a celebration of nature, craftsmanship, and the art of living beautifully.